Alright, Mom. So this is what it looks like at my house after the 2-day storm we had. This is the front of my house. Here's my porch. Here's the side of my house. Here's all our snow. And then here's the front of my house. That's what it looks like when it's plowed. Here's my trash cans, tree, big old mountain. And if you walk over here, I'll show you this. The snow's pretty thick. And this is what it looks like when you plow all our snow around us. And there's a big mountain. Big old mountain of snow. Our garage with the cars in it. And then there's our backyard. Look at our trampoline. It's got so much snow that it's